we getting?
We're getting a Paris Baguette on a tray.
Well, this is how they do it in Korea. And Japan, actually. What do you want?
One sweet thing and one not sweet thing.
What do you want, the milk bun or the croissant? Something soft or something crunchy? Something fruity or something milky?
I want to go for that, to be honest.
Cool. Ooh, do you want anything for later?
Later? No.
No?
Do you?
I might want that because it's chocolate. Cornbread. Cornbread? More corn? I guess I technically didn't. Yeah. For later.
She's going all out. No. We're not getting a donut because we know one of our friends is going to share with us.
Yeah, she's not going to finish it. Unless she's going to save it for later. Of Korea, apparently. We are at. Where are we at? We're at someplace.
What was that?
Say it one more time.
That's Gyeongbokgung
Square.
So today is our last day in Korea and we are doing sightseeing style touristy stuff.
Touristy stuff.
Some foods, but later on we will be leaving. Aww.
Say on this.
that you be eating before. More food.
Yes.
We have more food. We will be having more food since it is our last day. We'll take you along, see what we can find for the last day in Korea. Hopefully we can have some more Korean barbecue, Korean fried chicken, aka KFC.
The real KFC.
And maybe a dessert.
Of course dessert. What the
Of course
heck?
dessert. Hey.
Oh, look at that.
That's my dude.
What? It's just like that.
That looks hot.
Yeah, it's really hot today. Let's not dress like that. Palace.
Bunnies?
They look like bunnies on the.
Oh.
You mean on here? Those do not look like bunnies.
So apparently there's 300 buildings and we're gonna see at least 5 of them. One including this place, the big palace. Entrances aren't buildings. Look at this. What? High five.
High five.
High five. High five. High five. All on Lombard Street.
Oh, it's still like, you see the hat on it?
What's that? Oh yeah, he's
It's still like modern. Instadong.
Oh my god. Location number 2.
Today.
Yeah,
Wait,
today.
yeah.
Other
No,
than the
three.
palace. 3.
We
Why
went to
3?
the Korean houses.
Oh yeah, so it was the palace, then the houses, and now we're here in Sa-dong.
Instadong. A lot of
So it's like another
shopping
street of shops.
and food.
Artsy. It looks artsy fartsy.
And then bean soup
And
right
we got
after.
ice flakes with syrup, so that's gonna be Bingsu. We're trying to find a Korean barbecue place. Hungry, so or chicken, fried chicken
We'll see.
with draft beer,
We'll
which
take
is a
you with
big
us.
thing, apparently. So we're walking. Hello. It smells good. It smells so good. Meat.
Purple rice.
Purple rice and purple seeds.
So that's what I might say.
This is our last meal in Korea. Last meal. With meatiness, and we are gonna cook. Oh, we got some soju too. Soju, some banchan, some meat.
Really expensive. Yeah.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, Joe.
Last one of the trip for us. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, sorry. That's good.
Yeah. Soju Penta. You what I mean?
It's dessert time, and we got some mango bingsu and
Red bean?
the traditional one, the traditional bingsu, which has red bean mochi. What's the powder?
It's like red bean powder?
Red bean powder?
It's a sesame powder.
Sesame powder and almonds on top.
It's a sweet dessert with ice.
Yes,
Wait,
and condensed milk.
big. Condensed.
Yep,
Mango ice cream.
perfect.
All the things.
All the things.
Then we got a Shoei Temple.
I don't know.
And I forgot about it. Ah! Ooh, pretty.
Very.
What are you doing?
And this is
There it is.
Oh.
this is a mochis. Ah! And I'm dripping everywhere.
Did it get on your lenses?
I think you got it.
Yeah. As you can see, we are back at the Airbnb. about to leave. This was our last day in Korea.
Sad.
Super sad. Hope it wasn't too disjointed for you guys. We just tried to sneak in some touristy stuffs on our last one, on our last day. And where to next? You'll just have to see. So we hope you enjoyed because we enjoyed. If you liked the video, please do us a big favor. Give us a like, one of them down there. If you have anything to say to us, go in the comment section. We'll talk to you back. For more videos like this, subscribe. And until next time, peace out.
Bye. Love you guys. See you soon.